Hello everyone, it's 12th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, we have car blast, probe tracks, doctors, Faridabad, Pulwama terror ring. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have Bihar second phase sees record turnout of 68.76%. Exit polls predict NDA return. Again, very important for political governance perspective. Moving forward, we have those who didn't return home, clothes, tattoos, help families identify their deaths. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Moving forward, we have locked shops and thin crowds near Red Fort a day after the blast. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have GRAP 3 imposed in Delhi NCR. Very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have agencies focus on use of fuel denotators, ammonium nitrate. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says, Red Fort blast reminds us that the war against terror will never end. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Moving forward, we have in Bhutan, Prime Minister unveils Hydel project, energy pillar of ties. Again, very important for development perspective. Then we have ISRO finishes another key test in preparations for Gaganyaan. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have day after it was taken off agenda, India raises contentious finance provisions at COP30 meet. Again, very important for the climate as well as finances perspective. Moving forward, we have AI focused curriculum and cards for CBSE students. Again, very important for education perspective. Moving forward, we have the economy page where we have life insurance segment growth in the double digit, non-life stagnance amid GST cut. Again, very important for economy perspective. Then we have inflows into mid cap and small cap funds fall by up to 25%. Again, very important for economic perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.